For years, the iPad mini felt stuck in place. The design stayed almost the same, the features were limited, and it never got the same attention as the bigger iPads. But recent leaks suggest that Apple is now taking this device seriously. The biggest change is not the design, but the display, which is the part you use every single moment. The iPad Mini 8 is expected to come with a new 8.3-inch OLED display, replacing the old LCD panel. This is a major upgrade. OLED screens offer deeper blacks, better contrast, and more vibrant colors. Everything looks sharper and more detailed. This kind of display is usually reserved for premium devices like the iPad Pro, so bringing it to the Mini changes how the device feels completely. What makes this move even more interesting is the strategy behind it. Apple is expected to introduce OLED on the Mini before the iPad Air. This might sound unusual, but it is actually a smart move. The iPad Mini sells in smaller numbers, which makes it a safer platform to test new technology. Apple can experiment here, fix any issues, and then bring the technology to its more popular devices later. Apart from the display, performance is also getting a big boost. The iPad Mini 8 is rumored to feature the A19 Pro chip. This means faster performance, smoother multitasking, and better efficiency. Apps will open quicker, games will run better, and the device will feel more responsive overall. More importantly, this chip is being designed with future features in mind, especially AI. While current AI features are still limited, Apple is clearly preparing for what is coming next. The A19 Pro ensures that the iPad Mini 8 will stay powerful and relevant for several years. There is also a surprising new feature being discussed in supply chain reports. Apple might remove the speaker grills completely. Instead of traditional speakers, the iPad Mini 8 could use a vibration-based audio system. In this setup, the device's frame produces sound through vibrations. This is a very bold idea and something rarely seen in tablets. This change could improve water resistance because there would be no open speaker holes. The device would be more sealed and better protected from water and dust. However, this also raises concerns. Sound quality could be affected, and the way you hold the device might change how the audio feels. If your hands cover certain areas, it could impact the sound output. On the outside, the iPad Mini 8 is expected to look mostly the same. Apple will likely keep the clean, all-screen design that users already like. Touch ID will remain built into the power button. There could be slightly thinner bezels and a slimmer body, thanks to the OLED display being thinner than LCD. So while the design will feel familiar, it will still have small refinements. So you all might be thinking when the device could finally launch. Well, current leaks suggest that the iPad Mini 8 will arrive in the second half of 2026. The most likely window is September or October, which is when Apple usually announces major products. This timing also places it close to the expected iPhone 18 launch, making it part of a bigger release lineup. With all these upgrades, of course, the price is also expected to increase. The current starting price of $499 may not continue, and the starting price could rise to around $599 or even more. So now the real question is simple. Is a better display, more power, and a risky new audio system worth paying more for a small tablet? That is something only users can decide. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.